Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are having a good time. I wish you health and wellness. Myself Komal Kaur Sethi representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Children, today I am here to teach you English grammar. In this we will study chapter 12, A and the and picture reading, okay? Children, first we will study chapter 12, A and the. So kids, open your book and take out page number 67. Before starting A and the, I would like you to explain vowels and consonants, okay? So children, you all know there are 26 letters in an alphabet, okay? How many letters are there in an alphabet? There are 26 letters. Let us see. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So there are 26 letters in an alphabet, out of which 5 are vowels. Okay, let us see. A, E, I, O and U. Okay, there are 5 vowels in an alphabet. So what are they? A, E, I, O and U. Okay, these all are vowels. V, O, W, E, L, S vowels. Okay children. Now we learn about consonants. Okay. Okay. So here rest all of the letters in an alphabet are consonants. Okay, these all are consonants. C, O, N, S, O, N, A, N, T, S consonants. Okay children, rest all are consonants. I hope vowels and consonants are clear to you. Okay children, now let's learn about use of A, N and the. So children, we use A and N when we talk about one thing. So whenever we talk about one thing, we use A and N, like a bat, a ball, an orange, an apple. Okay, now let's learn about N. We use N before naming words that begin with a vowel sound. So children, we use N before naming words that begins with vowel sound. Okay, A, N and the. Okay, so we use N before vowel sound. Okay, let us see example of vowel sound. N, engine, an umbrella, an orange. So children, all this word begins with vowel letters. Okay, this all words begin with vowel sound. So we use N before vowel. Okay, we use N before vowel sound words. Now children, we learn about use of A. So we use A before naming words that begins with a consonant sounds. So we know what are consonants. So whenever word starts with consonant sound, we use A before it. Let us see example. A bat, a table, a banana. Okay, so children, here word starts with consonant sound. So we use A before them. Okay, now we learn about the. Let us take the here. So children, we use the when we want to talk about specific thing, particular thing. So children, and also we use the when we want to talk about things which are universal in the world, okay? Things which are only one in the world, okay? Like sun, moon, earth, Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Himalayas, Mount Everest, these all are one in the world. So we use the before them. Let us see. The earth, the moon, the sun. Okay children, I hope this is clear to you. Now children, we move to book work. Children, now we will do book work of this chapter. Open your book, take out page number 67. Question A. Look at the pictures and name them. Add A or N before each of the names correctly. So children, some pictures are given to you. You have to name them, and after that you have to add A or N before them. Okay. So first picture is done for you. Look at this. This is the picture of engine. So we will write engine here. Then we have to check whether it is a consonant sound word or it is a vowel sound word. So engine is a vowel sound word. So we will write N before engine. Okay, we will add N before engine. Okay children, now move to number 2. This is the picture of mango, very tasty, very sweet mango. So mango is a consonant sound word. So we will add A before mango because we add A before consonant sound word. Okay. So a mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Now look at number 3. Children, this is the picture of ice cream. You love ice cream now? So children, ice cream is a vowel sound word. So we will add N before ice cream, okay? And ice cream, I-C-E-I-C-R-E-A-M, cream. Now look here, this is the picture of ball. Ball is a consonant sound word. So we will add A before ball, okay? So children, here look at them. This all picture we are talking about are one thing, okay? We are talking about singular naming words. So we will add N or A, okay? Now look at number 5. This is the picture of house. House begins with consonant letter, okay? It's a consonant sound letter. So we will add A before house. Spelling of house is H-O-U-S-E, house. Now look at number 6. This is the picture of umbrella, and umbrella is a vowel sound word, okay? Umbrella is a vowel sound word. So we will add N before umbrella. And umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Now look at number 7. This is the picture of red car. So we will write car here, and car is a consonant sound word. So we will add A before car, a car, C-A-R, car. Now look at number 8. This is the picture of elephant, okay? We will write elephant here, then we will add N before elephant because it begins with vowel sound letter E. So we will add N here and elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant, okay children? Now children, fill in question B, fill in the blanks with A or N. Children, I'll do this question on board, okay? Page 68. Question B. Number 1. My mother peeled dash orange. So children, there is blank before orange and First let us check whether orange is a vowel sound word or consonant sound word. It is vowel sound word. So, we will add N before orange. Okay. Sentences, my mother peeled an orange. Now, number 2, she read dash book. There is blank before book and book is consonant sound word. So, we will add a before book. Sentences, she read a book. Okay. Now, number 3, Rosie has dash umbrella. Children, umbrella is a vowel sound word. Look at the first letter, it is a vowel sound letter. So, we will add N before umbrella. Okay. Now, number 4, Rahul ate dash ice cream. So, ice cream is a consonant sound word or vowel sound word? It is a vowel sound word. So, we will add N before ice cream. Okay. Rahul ate an ice cream. Okay. Now, number 5, I planted dash seed. There is blank before seed and seed is consonant sound word. So, we will write a before seed. Sentences, I planted a seed. Okay. Now, number 6, I saw dash elephant. Children, elephant is a vowel sound word. Okay. Check the first letter of every word that you have to add a or N before. This is vowel sound letter. So, we will add N here. Okay. Sentences, I saw an elephant. Okay. So, children, I hope this is clear to you that we use a before consonant sound word, N before vowel sound word, and we use a or N with one thing with singular noun. Okay. Now, children, we move to question C. So, question C is tick the correct answers from the options given in the brackets. So, children, options are given to you in a bracket. You have to choose the correct one. Okay. Let us see on the board. Number 1 is options are given a or N. After that, word is computer. Then options are again given a or N, table. So, children, look carefully. You have to choose before computer. Computer is a consonant sound word. So, we will put tick on a. Okay. Now, look here. Table is also a consonant sound word. So, we will tick again on a. So, a sentence is a computer and a table. Okay. Now, number 2. Options are a, N, elephant and a, N, rabbit. Children, look carefully. Check the word, check the first letter of the word. It is E, and E is a vowel sound letter and elephant is a vowel sound word. So, what we will choose? We will choose N before elephant. Okay. Now, look here, rabbit is a consonant sound word. So, we will choose a here. Okay. So, sentence is an elephant and a rabbit. Okay. Now, number 3 is options given to you are a or the, sun and Options A, the moon. So children, sun, moon, stars, earth, these all are universal object. Here we are talking about specific things, so we use the before them, okay. We have learned that whenever we talk about universal objects, we use the before them. So the sun and moon is also a universal object, so we will choose the here. So sentence is the sun and the moon, okay. Now number 4, options are an teacher and a or an student, okay. So teacher is a consonant sound word, so we will choose a here, and student is also a consonant sound word, so we will also choose a here. So sentence is a teacher and a student, okay. Here we are talking about one thing, singular noun, a teacher and a student, okay children. I hope this is clear to you. Now we move to question D. Question D is unscramble and write the naming words. So children, some letters are given to you, you have to unscramble them and write the correct naming words. Add a, n or the before each of them correctly, okay. Then we have to add a, n or the before them, okay. Now look at this is the picture of house. Letters given to you are O, S, U, E, H. So this becomes house. We will write house here and we will check whether it is a consonant sound word or it is vowel sound word. So house is a consonant sound word, so we will add a here, a house, a H-O-U-S-E house. Now look here children, this is the picture of bird owl, okay. Letters given to you L, W, O. So it will become owl, O-W-L, owl, and owl is a vowel sound word, so we will add N before owl, A-N-N-O-W-L, owl. Now look at number 3, this is the picture of earth, and earth is a universal object, it is common to all human beings, okay. So letters given to you are A-R-H-T-E, you have to unscramble it and write down earth here, E-A-R-T-H, earth, then we will add the here because earth is a universal object, okay. Now look at picture 4, letters given to you are M-E-R-L-L-U-A-B. This is the picture of umbrella, you will unscramble it and write down umbrella here, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Then you have to check whether it is a consonant sound word or a vowel sound word. So this is a vowel sound word, we will add N before umbrella, okay. So children, I hope this is clear to you. I hope you enjoyed with me. Thank you.